When our client approached us for the second power project for the Star Casino residences, we knew that this demanded the highest level of quality and precision. We processed over 20 tonnes of Ri-mex 316 prestige gold material. This was 480 panels, 279 of which were unique in shape and profile, all cut on our Trump advanced technology. All panels were laser cut and folded, and to ensure a perfect fit, our programming team worked very closely with our client's design team. We applied additional bend film to eliminate press marks and ensure a flawless, scratch-free finish. Scheduling, batching and labelling were critical in this job to ensure easy installation on site and to meet the developer's deadline. Here at GCI, we're focusing on new technology, including robotic bending and our laser punch combo machine, ensuring the shortest possible lead time and highest accuracy for your project.